what's up guys? Rise Frags 34. Quick unboxing video for you. I really enjoy watching these, so hopefully you guys do as well. Quick shout out to Prakar Gupta. He is the founder of Sherwood Parfums. I already have one of his bottles. It is Paradise 2.0, so really excited about this one. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Really rare bottles. They're numbered to 100, so I do like that about this this product. And very great quality with a lot of ingredients. So really excited to dive into this one, but just wanted to show you a quick unboxing, and then later in the future, when I wear it a couple times, I will do a full review on it. So, but thanks again. Here's an unboxing. Let's dive into this. I did pop it open, but I didn't go any further. So let's see what is in here. Nothing there. Some bubble wrap here. I'm really excited. I do love just doing a great presentation. Hope everyone's doing well, smelling well. I'd love to hear what your scent of the day is. Sorry about that, I had to pop it open. Wow, and there it is. Sherwood Parfums. This is the Yugure. Let's see, he usually puts his on the back there. Of course, he did give me number 34, which is great. 34 out of 100, signed. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited to check it out further, but really does a great job with presentation. I love it. Well, thank you guys again for joining me for this one. Again, really excited to have this in my collection. So yeah, check out Sherwood Parfums. Prakar Gupta, you can reach out to him, Facebook Messenger, that's what I did. And great guy. And he'll give you some good information on this fragrance and perfume and what he has coming, in the near future. So guys, thanks for always tuning in. Rise Frags 34. Really appreciate everything. Love you guys. Keep smelling great.